Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a delicious low-carb dish, roasted radishes with sausage and peppers. If you've never tried roasted radishes before, they're an amazing potato substitute, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavor. We'll start by trimming our radishes, then slicing them in halves or quarters, depending on the size. Then I'm going to make mine a meal by adding in some sliced peppers, and also some sliced ham sausage. Then I'm going to add in about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, one-half teaspoon salt, one-quarter teaspoon black pepper, one-quarter teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon parsley. Mix everything around to coat it well. Then spread them evenly on a lined baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until evenly browned. Stirring about halfway through. And here's the finished dish: golden roasted radishes, tender sausage, and sweet peppers. It's hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more low-carb and keto-friendly meals, and let me know in the comments if you've tried roasted radishes before.